Alright guys, let's hop into Thinkorswim. First I'm going to show you guys how to create a watch list. So we're going to go here, and let's see, create watch list is right here. Then type in the name, watch list, you could add symbol, put in Apple, you put in as many as you want, click save, and then your watch list will be over here. Then I use the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to click studies, add study, all studies here. Then you want to go to the S's. S, simple moving averages right here. It automatically puts the 9. You double click it here, and I put in the 20-day moving average. And you click OK. I'm going to do it again because I want that 200-day moving average. Add study, all studies here. Find the simple. I'm just going to put that 9 once again. And we're going to change this value to 200. And click OK. That's the first step. Now we want our indicators. I use the RSI and the MACD. So we're going to do the same thing. Studies, add study here. All studies, let's start with the RSI. It's all the way at the top here. And it's going to be right here. Add another study because we want that MACD. Okay. All studies, find the M's. MACD's down here. Alright guys, and we're good to go. That's basically how I have my Thinkorswim set up. Make sure you guys have it in real time in this top left corner as well. You want it as soon, right matching up with the market. And that's about it guys. Thanks for watching.